Hi everyone. So today we will discuss about the drag and drop in the Cypress. So how you are going to test the drag and drop with the Cypress automation. Okay, we will discuss. See, I will create one file here. So we are writing the test cases here only. I am creating one file. So drag and drop test. Drag and drop. cy.ks. So nothing we are doing our own. So go here. So Cypress documentation. Cypress documentation. Just type here drag Cypress drag and drop. This is plugin. This is we will see drag on. Okay, drag and drop. So this functionality we will check it. Okay, this is a plugin. This is a plugin. So we don't need to go for plugin. So directly we can drag out. Okay, see here it is giving select file path. So we will go with the using trigger method. We will go with the trigger method. Okay, drag and drop. We will go with the trigger method. So yes, so they are not given the more information. See, okay, okay. Anyways, we will learn here. So how to do drag and drop in the Cypress automation. Okay, so I will take one demo website. I will take one demo website. Okay. So familiar website. Web driver university. Web driver. So here we can find the best examples. So what I will do now? So what is the functionality that which we are going to discuss now is go here. Okay, actions. So go to actions. So we are seeing now. So drag and drop. Okay. What we need to drag and drop here. So whatever this is the drag me to my target. So where is the target? Drop here is the target. Select this file and drop here. Drag and drop. See. So this is the functionality which we are going to check now. So automation. Okay. 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 First pick the WebDriver University. Launch the URL. So so reference type SQL samples where we get data suggestions. Now say describe drag and drop suit. It block drag and drop test. So, okay. So launch the URL. So this you already know, right? When you are learning the Cypress, right? So describe it acts as a test suite. It block it acts as a test case. Okay. Now, see by using visit command, we will launch the URL. Okay. Launch the URL. web.university.com. So after launching the URL, we need to click here, right? So go to the actions and click on it. Identify the element. Here, so this is a H1 tag. Okay, H1 is a heading. H1 is a heading. Okay. Now this is a div we have. So we'll go with this one. So here also one more important thing. See, it is opening. So whenever I click here, it is opening in the next tab. So next tab will not support by Cypress. So that's why we need to use the target element. Target element. I will show you how to use it. So pick the ID. Just check whether it is matching or not. It's ID, right? So prefix with hash. Yeah, one of one it is identifying. Okay. Now copy this element. Control C. CY.get is used to identify locators or elements. Control A dot. So this we will try with this step. Okay. Just see and just observe it. Okay. What I am doing, just observe it. So open the terminal and open the Cypress console and click Cypress. Open. So this is the Cypress test runner. We will call it as test runner or Cypress console. So it's also a browser. So I'm picking the Chrome browser. Now you can see the test cases. So where we are going to run the test cases here. So these are the examples, right? These are the examples. Minimize it. So this is our drag and drop case. So we are running in the Chrome. So here you can see the browser. Here you can see the size. So February is open in the next tab it opened. See, it clicked next tab it opened. Now what I will do now? I will try to select this element. Okay. Hmm. So observe this element. This element. See, ID is droppable. This is droppable element. Just select this element. This is draggable element. Okay. Get that this element. Get the element of this. Okay. Draggable element. Copy. cy dot get. I'm going with ID. Draggable element. Okay. Just check whether this element is identifying or not. We can see. We can see it. Just I'm rerunning. When I rerun, it will auto refresh. Okay. See, multiple tabs are opening, right? Multiple tabs are open. Let me close all of the tabs. Okay, see, I'm rerunning it. See, multiple, see, it's a tab. So whenever I click on the actions, it is opening another tab. So Cypress, no, so draggable element. So it is in the next tab. So Cypress can't identify, Cypress can't support or handling multiple tabs. So this is one disadvantage in the Cypress. So how we are going to handle this one? No? See, I will tell you. Go here. Go here and check. Okay, see here. See, this is the ID, right? What we have, but this is the ID, right? It is the endpoint element. This is the complete ID data endpoint. So pick this target element. What is the target element? Is blank, right? This target element blank. So see, I will show you. I will show you manually. See now, close this one. See now, whenever clicking, it is opening in the next tab, right? See, this is the parent tab and this is the child tab. It's a tabs, multiple tabs it is opening. See, because of the target element, just remove here the target element. Just remove here the target element. Okay. Okay. Now just run it. See, it is open in the same tab, right? It did not open the multiple tab. It has opened in the same tab. It didn't go for the next tab. So this is how we are going to handle in the Cypress. Okay, target element. No, what we need to remove the target element during runtime. The same way, no, we did. Huh? Okay. Okay. Now go here. See, we have an option called CY.get actions dot here dot invoke functionality. We have invoke method. Just invoke. In this invoke, no, just use remove attribute you target. That's it. Okay. Now try to run it. Target. Right. I'm rerunning it. So during runtime, we are see now here only to open, right? In this browser, see now multiple tabs are running. So I'm rerunning it. See, we observe multiple tab will not open. So Sasha is handling now. So it is opening in the same browser. What we are saying during runtime, I am removing the target element. So that's why it is opening in the same browser, and we are able to handle the functionality, right? Multiple tabs it will not support. That way, during runtime, we are removing the target element. The same functionality is opening in the same page. That is what we are. Okay. Now see by dot get draggable element. No? This is the draggable element. Now I have identified the draggable element. Okay. Now what we need to do? Trigger. We need to use the trigger method. Trigger. So trigger. So in the trigger, no, we'll get some options, mouse options. So what I will do now? Mouse down here, go here, not here, go here. See this one. What we are doing from here to we are dropping where we are dropping now from here to here, right? Just like this, we are dropping. So what I'm doing mouse, I'm a draggable element. This is the draggable element. I'm selecting this draggable element and taking to here. No, so that's why I'm using mouse down, right? Mouse down. Okay, mouse down. Here we need to use comma which I will tell you why which we are using. Okay, which. Okay, okay. See, I'm telling. So now I have written the code. So this is the draggable element. This is the draggable element. I'm taking this draggable element. I'm doing mouse down, and I'm picking here. Okay, I'm dragging to here. Okay, okay. Now where it has to drag and drop cy dot get. We need to use we need to get the element right where we need to drop that element. We need to find out right. Come here. This is the drop. We need to drop here. Come to inspect element. Say ID droppable. So this is the element. See, we have hash. So ID. See, it is telling it is entering three elements. ID droppable. Okay. So for that, what I can use? So this is identifying three elements. At the board, this is top board. Then we can use class one, hash ID, dot, okay, this element. UI drop board class, control F, dot, control V. So I'm going with class now. So only one element is identifying. I'm going with class. Copy this element and paste here. Dot. Use the same method, trigger method. Use the trigger method. See, mouse down. We are doing here. We need to use mouse move, mouse actions. We are going with mouse actions. Mouse move. See, mouse when you are doing mouse down. We need to do mouse move. Dot. Use the trigger again. Again, mouse up. Mouse up. So we are telling it forcefully to forcefully to. Okay. So, so we can write this one because the page is extending, right? We can write like this. Okay. This time running. See, you observe. See, it drop right. See, from here, trigger mouse down. See, and see, you were droppable element selected. So it did mouse move. So mouse from here to this element should move. See, it moved right. Okay. Just I will make it as pause here for understanding. Save it off pause. Okay. Yes, see. Now it is paused. Okay. It is paused. We are here. Okay, something. Refresh it. Okay, see, the element is here. Okay, okay. See why it is coming now like this. See, see when it is dragged, no, this condition. So draggable, no. See, mouse down I'm doing, no, I'm not releasing. That's why the cursor is coming along. So whenever you for this element, I'm using mouse down, right? So for that mouse down, mouse move and mouse up will be the release. Mouse up, see when you do mouse down, always you should use the mouse up for release. Now I am using pause here, no? So I'm using pause, but mouse down, no, it is under this control. So see whatever I do now, see, just observe. See now, just I am doing mouse like this. See, it is coming like this because I am doing pause after mouse down. So this is the mouse down control. To release that compulsory we need to use. So mouse move, mouse up we have to use it. So that's why that control is not working. So just I'm running it. You observe here only, directly you observe. See, from there, no, from top, it is coming here. The center, it is coming to the center. This is how it works, drag and drop, right? You understood, right? Drag and drop. Okay. Here you may get doubt why which we have used, which what it will take. This condition, when we use this, which one, no? Copy this one. It will pick the draggable element to the center. So here draggable element is, how it is coming and sitting directly and say its center because of which equal to 1. So where is the documentation? you should have which it is there here. I don't which custom process. Okay. Okay. Here only we'll see that example. Suppose I am using which equal to some 100. See how it is going to appear. See, it is here only. No, there are some controls which equal to I'm not 100, some 2 I will do. So this is not working. Okay. Okay. But just remember which when you use which equal to 1, then it will fit to the center and the dropable element. See, dropable element. This is how it will work. You understood, right? Yeah, there are some controls which if I give which one equal to 1, which is 1, then it will pick to the center. If you give which have some standard values, if I give some other value, no, it will be somewhere else here and there. Okay. For now, we will go with the which. So this is how you are going to. This is the script for drag and drop. Okay. I hope you all understood. Thank you.